Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we got Kashif's Kia Rio in, and what we're doing is an Apple CarPlay change. The first thing that we are doing is we're unclipping the old trim piece from the dashboard in order to install the new dashboard.
Young rich nigga got trap routine. Bad little bitches won't lick on me. Moving like a YN when I was 16. Smoking that weed and trapping out houses. Back of the lack and I'm higher than a mountain. Drink codeine, got it coming out of fountain. What you finna do for that allowance? Bags on the floor, counting. I'm going through, finna come out counting. Running through a dry, I doubt it.
At this point you can see I've unclipped the trim piece, and now I'm just removing any wiring that's being held onto the original trim piece. So the first wire which I'm going to be taking off is the hazard wire for the indicators, and then I'm going to be unplugging the airbag wire. And now that's fully off, I'm just explaining what wire is what and how it's going to be looking on the new one and where it plugs in. That's his new Apple CarPlay, and that's just me explaining the screen and like what's what. And then the next thing I'm explaining is the 4 bolts which are holding the original radio in, and I'm undoing those. Me and Kashif are just having a bit of a laugh while I'm doing it because the bolts were tough. Like, these bolts were on there tight. I managed to get the right 2 off easily, but then the left ones, you can see I'm having to do some neck stuff. I'm having to climb on the armrest. I'm having to move all over the place. And this final one, it was not coming out. So what I did is I went inside and I got the longer screwdrivers for more leverage, and they were better, higher quality screwdrivers than my dad's. And the next thing you can see me doing is unplugging the antenna thing, and unplugging the power supply to um, the original radio. And then what I'm doing is I'm unbolting everything that was on there. I plugged that back in while we're watching the football, of course, because England was playing. We're playing Congo. We won 2-1.
So what are we doing right now?
So right now what we're doing is we're taking off all the bits of the old your old trim bit, and we're putting it onto the new one.
Yeah.
In order for us to put this back onto there.
Right, so we've taken everything out there.
Yep.
Boom. I have one question though. My steering wheel, will it be connected to the new CarPlay?
100%, because what we're going to do is we're going to make it compatible, and once this is all plugged in, we're going to make these sync in with the Apple CarPlay system.
So I'm going to be a new man. I'm going to be in my Ferrari. It's not a Kia anymore.
It's not a Kia Rio. What is this, a 1.6?
2.
This is not a 2 litre, chill your bean.
1.2, mate.
Oh, 1.2.
2 litre.
I was about to say, this does not look like a 2 litre.
Quick random question, but if I was to stage 1 this, and currently the BHP on this is 84, what do you think like it will go up to?
Probably like 100 bhp.
Is that true?
Yeah, you won't get much.
Alright guys, if this video hits how many likes?
100 likes.
100 likes and I will stage 1 this, okay?
That's coming from Kashif, by the way.
I'll stage 1 this and I'll bring this to Hasnain and see what he thinks of it.
Yep. And what if your engine blows up?
Then that's your fault.
How is that my fault?
For getting 100 likes.
So we're gonna click our fingers, and this is gonna be done. All right.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. What's happened is we've run into a bit of a problem. This hazard part, this fits straight into the old one, but over here, it's not fully compatible. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to sand a bit of the bottom down in order for the hazard light to fit into there. The best way to do that, get your screwdriver, just wrap this sandpaper around. Yeah. And then what we're gonna do, just gonna go like this.
Wow.
Actually gonna make a face. I'm just gonna keep doing this until it goes down enough for us to. Just gonna keep doing this until it goes down enough for us to fit this in. Might be here for a long time.
You want to click your fingers again, mate?
Yeah, come. 3, 2, 1. So after like 15 minutes of sanding and my hands going black, looking like Lincoln. Yeah, so what's happened is, yeah,
Guys, show us.
it's finally gone in.
You might have added a couple clicks.
Huh?
Little click for us. Click. Oh, yeah. That's
Yeah.
nice.
So now it's working. So now what we're going to do is, now we're going to fit the vents,
and then we're going to look at the manual and see what wires we need to get into this so just the Apple CarPlay works. So let's get the vents in, and then we need to also get these white clips off here and put them onto the new one. So we need to make sure we don't break those. So I need to find content. So anyone in South London needing anything done to their car, oh yeah, southwest or south, it doesn't really matter.
What, are you gonna drive to them?
No, they have to bring their car. Actually, no, I'm gonna drive to them. So until I can start getting my own cars and start uploading that way, if anyone needs anything done, shout me. I'll do it for free, maybe, if I know you. So for example, Kashif, I know him, so he's getting it done for free.
Sorry, I just had to show my face in there.
Yeah, that's fine.
I love you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Part of the Hasnain family.
Yeah, calm. So like people like Kashif, yeah, they'll get done for free if I know you. But if I don't know you, you might have to pay like a little fee for me to do it.
Just like a travelling fee.
Yeah, probably just a travelling fee. But all the tools and everything I already have, so that'll all be sorted. But yeah, if you need anything done, even servicing, I'm willing to do servicing for you as well. And now let's get the other vent on. With a click of a finger, it's just going to be on 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now we got the vents and everything in. And Kashif didn't want to have the extra compartment here.
Yeah, I didn't.
So we just filled it back in with the thing that came with it.
Ooh,
and
who's right there? That little beautiful boy through the reflection.
What about this little beautiful boy? Through the
Can't really
reflection?
see me, sorry.
Can't see me? Okay, and now what we want to do is just unclip all of... Just stuck with my
You
finger.
spat on yourself.
Yeah.
Your respect, basically.
So now what we want to do is get these...
So
That
where's
just flew away. That just flew away. That one flew away. So now let's just make sure that doesn't happen to the rest of these. And then we just clip them
Could
into
have
here.
just done that the first time, by the way.
Yeah, but I didn't expect it to fly away like that.
Shut up. Anyways,
Should I just break your clip right now?
and I'll break you. Look.
Oh shit, my bad. My bad, gang. Oh shit, I actually don't want to break this clip, so let's go from the other side. See that? I've cracked the code now. See that, Kashif?
You're so smart.
I know, little bro. I know, because that one didn't come out that way. You seen this? Okay, cool. So that's that one fully empty now.
It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning, and I was just editing this video right now. And what's happened is this video is roughly about 11-12 minutes, and there's still quite a bit to go on. So what I'm going to do is split this video into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, me installing the Apple CarPlay into Kashif's car. And yeah, so this is part 1. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Insta, follow me on TikTok, and comment, and make sure you share. And I'll get back to you for part 2 in about 3-4 days. Thank you for watching, and peace.